How to check your hair type, very quick and easy way. Well, if you want to know your hair type, always try to have your hair, like if your hair break or shredded, make sure you wash it very well to remove all the product from that hair. So after that, the next thing when you are going to do, get your cap, wash the cap also, because what you need to do, don't let any oil to be part of the hair or the cap that you are using to do the test. So when you check that there's not any oil, you wash everything thoroughly, everything is clean. So what you need to do is use and fetch water. After fetching your water, replace your hair, okay, the hair that you wash, replace it like the way I put it inside. I have two hair. The other one when I was removing my hair, and the other one when I was washing, I get shaded from it. So this one was when I was removing the hair. So I wash both different. I wash both different. So I put it inside the cap. When you put it inside, you see the hair go under. It stick under. It means this shows that you have a high prostate hair. If your hair go down like this, that shows that you have a high prostate hair. So this is the second hair that also when I was washing my hair, I get shedding also. So that one also I replace it inside the cap. You can see both two hair is go under. It means I have a high prostate hair. So high prostate hair, if you have high prostate hair, you put it inside. If you see it, your hair go under like this, it means you have a high prostate hair. But if you have a medium prostate hair and you put inside, the hair is not under like the way it is halfway. When the hair is in the halfway, it means it shows that you have a medium prostate hair. But when the hair is up, it's not going down, it did not go even middle, not to talk of going down, that shows that you have a low prostate hair. So this thing, if you check it that way, that will help you for you to know the right oils that you can you can use for your hair. And this my channel, we have both things, because I have a high prostate hair, my daughter have a low prostate hair. So the things that we are doing here, I'm trying to teach my fellow queens, my fellow sisters, my fellow mothers, and my daughters how to check your hair type and grow your hair naturally long. Because immediately you know your hair type, that one you finish everything. That will help you to know the type of oil that you have to be putting into your hair, the type of products that you'll be putting into your hair, and what you need to do as a high prostate hair person or low prostate person. You have to know this thing so that you know the product that you'll be applying to your hair, and avoid things that will damage your hair or cause your hair breaking or causing your hair shedding. You will avoid those things. So that is why I say no, it's very, very important for us to show to our sisters also, those also who are here looking for a way to grow their natural hair. So it's good for you to know your hair type so that it will help you. Please, if you check to know your hair type and you want to know the type of oil or the butters that you want to do, if you are feeling like you don't want to do research, just come back to this channel. You have so many videos, different videos that you watch from the low prostate hair and the high prostate hair. If it is the medium prostate hair, then no problem, you can still come back, because we have some product that all the hair type you can use those products. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Please, if you find this video useful, try to like it, share for me, okay, and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Please don't forget, we have our main channel. By the grace of Almighty Allah, I get it back, okay, I get it back. The name is Queen Padede. So please, that place also, don't leave us alone. You can check us in that channel also. This one is for Princess alone. Bye bye.